To multiply fractions, there are 3 steps: factor, cancel, multiply across. So, part A, if we were to factor the numerator, we'd be left with 4 times x minus 2. Denominator, that's already factored, so x squared. Times second numerator, we can pull out an x squared, and we would be left with 9x minus 7. Over denominator, we can cancel, we can factor out a 4. Now, being very neat here, remember you can cancel diagonally and up and down. So these x squareds cancel, and the 4's cancel, but nothing else cancels. So because of that, we can write it as x minus 2, 9x minus 7. Notice we need parentheses around those guys because we're multiplying them. All over x minus 4. Since there's only one factor downstairs, we technically do not need parentheses. Make that 4 better. It's slightly better. Part B, again, factor, cancel, multiply across. The first numerator, we can pull out a 12. First denominator, that's a difference of squares. 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3. Second numerator, that's a sum of cubes. 2x plus 3, 4x squared minus 6x plus 9. Second denominator does not factor using integers. We leave it alone. Now let's suppose it even did factor. Would we even try to factor it? Or use our time to factor it? Nope. Because notice, in the numerator of that same fraction is the same trinomial, so they're just going to cancel anyways. And notice the 2x plus 3's cancel, and the 2x minus 3's cancel. So everything in the denominator has been canceled, so there's a 1 left over. Upstairs there's a 12. 12 over 1 is 12. Whee! Again, please write neatly. It's very common to draw your canceling line too large, and then you accidentally cancel something that's not supposed to be canceled. And that'd be bad. All right, part C, the numerator is prime. Denominator, we can factor out an a. Second numerator, we can write as b plus a, b minus a. Do not switch around the letters. Since b squared came first, then b comes first in the addition and the subtraction. Downstairs, we can factor out a 2, and we're left with 5b minus a. We have to be very crafty with our canceling here. For instance, 5b minus a is the negative of a minus 5b. So when these cancel, there's a negative 1 left over. You can put the negative 1 upstairs, downstairs, or in front. It does not matter. Just don't put it in more than one place. A plus b is the same thing as b plus a because addition is commutative. So, since nothing else cancels, we can write our final answer as in the numerator. We can say negative parentheses b minus a, so I multiplied across, all over 2a. If you want to distribute that negative through, you could also say a minus b all over 2a. Or if you wanted to, you can put that negative downstairs with the 2a. So all 3 of those are the same, and I'm sure there's plenty more ways to write the exact same answer.